Hello dudes, welcome to TechTut.com. So today we will understand what is attribute and its domain. Okay, so let's start. Attribute is the property that describe an entity. Okay, so what do we mean by it? Let's start with our famous example of student dataset. We have student dataset and we are storing student ID and name and age of a student. Okay, so if you consider S1 is a student, S2 and so on, and Sn, right? Your name is Ram, John, and here Rahim. Age is 14, 13 and 12. Okay, so this was our old database. Here also we have taken the same example, and if you consider these are entities, right? We already discussed. So each entities here, each entity is described by a property which is basically this age. Okay, age is a property of entity, right? Another one is name, another one is ID. Okay, so each entity has here three properties: age, name, and the entity ID, student ID or ID itself. Okay, so all these three properties can be termed as attribute. Okay, so this is attribute. Okay, so this is attribute of the student. Now we understand, let's understand domain. Domain is set of permitted value. Okay, so set of permitted value, set of permitted value. Okay, so if you consider here name, if we only allow name to have capital letters, small letters, and a space, uh, consider this as space character. Okay, a space. So this is the domain of this name attribute. Okay, similarly if we have age, we only allow integers to be a age. Okay, so integer 0 to 9. Okay, so this is the values, this is the value which are, I mean the set which are permitted in age, and we can have range limitation, like if we want to have age greater than 5 and less than, consider 40. Okay, so this is the set of permitted value for this particular attribute. Okay, it can have range 5 to 40, greater than 5 and less than 40, whereas the set of permitted values are 0 to 9. I mean the characters 0 only, we can represent this attribute with 0 and 9. Okay, so this is called domain. Next we will understand what are the types of attribute in next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.